Chama cha ODM Nikyalumiilya Kiiteelemw'a na Vanini ni Syama Ila Ingi Nthini wa Azimio wa Kenya Kukonya Itambya Mutongoi Raila Odinga Kutangaasa Ngwatanio ya Uthukumi na Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Mutongoi wa ODM ni waende ya kululumiilya chama kiki Nthini wa ulei na maminista ala manalikile Silikali ni kuma ODM manaendie tandu kwa wendi wo ene ni muungamo la seneta wa kaunti ya Makueni Dani Kitonga manzo walulumiilya akana kika Kiweta waye ondo memba macha makimeithwa na vina kuikia kithimini maminista kana Silikali maimekwata mbau Benjamin Mwaka ni okutwambisi.
Kaumu uyu ni wende kununga nthini wa Ngwatanio ya kiuteti ya Azimio wa Kenya Kukonya Mutongoi kumana na Itambya ya chama cha ODM na Mutongoi wa Raila Odinga Kutangaasa Ngwatanio ya vakuvi ya Uthukumi na Silikali. Atongoi masi ya Nthini wa Ngwatanio ya Azimio Matongoi na Mutongoi wa Wiper Daktari Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka methitwo mayenda ODM yukunenza Azimio na yitungiania vina wayo nthini wa kutwika Silikali yuwete Itambya ya tetima ODM kunyuvata maminista Silikali na ya President William Ruto yina itumisyo ndesi ya kuonania the ukomoni umwe na Silikali.
We must and we are going to tell Kenyans within this week as we hold our Azimio Council meeting that part of us who are going into government will be released to join government. And we will remain under the leadership of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka as Azimio to fight for the people of Kenya.
Ateo ODM iweta kilelo kinene cha Kalonzo na nyanya make ni kusukuma chama ki cha thuke Mutongoi wa mbunge na komiti kivukanyo cia kwikia kithimino Uthukumi wa Silikali kuthosya wia pamwe kwenda kumulasimithia Raila atangasa muungamo wake wa kulasia mwaka wa 2027 OU hata namba kuthi utetino wa kivila cha mwene kivila Ngwatanio ya nthi cia Africa AU indi mayitikila musukumo wana Vanini.
ODM will continue to play its minority role alongside other parties to push for accountability, transparency, equity, and delivery of services to the people in a cost-effective manner. Having said that, let us make a few things clear. As a party, we will not agree to engage with anyone acting in bad faith and with ulterior motives. On the matter at hand, the questioning of ODM and the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's commitment to opposition, our partners are not acting in good faith. They're hiding behind the 4 gentlemen and 1 lady who joined government and using it to try and wrestle the leadership of the Houses of Parliament from ODM. We find that unacceptable, and we wish to reiterate the obvious. The House leadership is about numbers in the House and not those in government.
So when they tell us that we have joined government, on what basis are they saying that? Is there any coalition agreement? There is none. So we think that these people are just playing drama. You cannot intimidate a big party like ODM. I think, Mr. Kioni, we want to advise you to read the law and to visit the office of the Registrar of Political Parties. And I want also to caution them that any attempt to push ODM out of Azimio will be very detrimental to those people who are pushing that arrangement.
Atongoi nthini wa chama cha Wiper methitwo mailumililia ODM isa ikala matani sioni woko kumwe nthini wa ulei na kungi nthini wa Silikali. Vula seneta wa Makueni Dan Manzo walumililia nongi na Raila omwene atangase vala ungamile kuothe una withianu aiweta mayundu ayumbe ma ODM metongoi cia ulei na kuungamia nzama cia uthuimi mbungeni me ukomoni umwe na Silikali.
Enda kwasia kana payundu Silikali yikala itenzisie na itakukelelwa na kondu wau ya wabinzani ni kukelelya Silikali kule kuima kosa na kondu wau itenda kwikala katika pinzani angana tukelelya Silikali na tu ya ODM ya mwaye Silikali ni kana ndi Silikali na ndome Silikali ni makilanilie mbunge malike ngaliko ya Silikali titi wangaliko nangi tosa ivila isusi bau na tiunga miobinzani neza na jokwa ile tenda na umbana kwa mituki wa unene wa Azimio na kenda na Raila alwe tetulio kala Silikali ni kana nthini wa Silikali na kenda kuma bawende twose atwa ya mea ona thani kuthi kotini twa muliwe ODM ye katika pinzani kana ye katika Silikali lakini nundu mamea na mawaziri mayo ndo matoro na kusisi Uthukumi wamba waziri mo me chamani kimwe kwa umakilanilie tutiwete upinzani kana tuibange yolo 2027
vilingo wa mauvo kumava kaunti ni Ilovi nito Benjamin Mwaka.